portfolio website. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your browser and search for strikingly.com in the search bar. Once the website loads, log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it by typing your first name, your email, creating a new password, and then clicking the Get Started button. After logging in, you'll be directed to the homepage. From there, go to the left bar section and scroll down until you find the Personal section. Then click it. Next, search for the Portfolio option and click it. A variety of templates will appear. Select any template you like. For example, I chose this one. Click the Start Editing option on the template you selected. You'll be directed to your template project. Begin editing anything you want on the template, such as text, images, or layout. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click the Publish button located on the bottom left corner of the page. A pop-up will appear allowing you to change the URL. Do so and click Next. After that, change the title name for your site. Then click the Publish Now button to complete the process.